settled my room. Let me show you guys around. Are you ready? Let's go. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at the beauty of it. Ooh, now let's check the bathroom out. Tap, washroom, and a mirror. Yeah. And then of course the mirror again, and then wardrobe where I've kept my bags. You know, there's a lot of rooms, 1 and 2, but they have a shared bathroom. Which is over there. Some AC here, and then of course some fridge. There it is, the ferry station. Yeah, I have housemates. So now I'm coming to sleep, rest, eat, and step out to town. Finally. Good morning, it's a beautiful day today. Let me have a seat so I can have a seat with you guys. Okay guys, so I noticed I didn't film pack with me video, so since I'm all settled up here and I'm about to move to my 4th location, this video is to show you guys how I pack my stuff when flying out. So stick and stay, do subscribe, hit the like button as it means a whole lot to me. And yeah, let's get into the video. Let's pack up. Okay, so before flying out of Ghana, when I was trying to check in one of my luggage so I could have the small bag with me to carry on with me, I was told it was more than the number. Carry on, it's supposed to be 7 kg. Less than 7 kg. If it's above 7 kg, it means it has to be checked in to be put into the plane. So that's what happened with me in my instance. So now that I know of that, I am coming to properly pack so I can have my 7 kg and then be able to, you know, have my bag with me. I'll definitely lay over, so I need my carry-on bag to have my things with me, so I won't have to be at the airport again trying to take clothes out and have it in my handbag. No. First, I have packing cubes. My packing cubes really helped me a lot. It helped me, you know, put things together. Where my undies go, where my bikinis go, where African prints or long dresses go, or where this goes, or where that goes. So I would definitely advise each and everyone to have that. It's convenient, because I doubt without the packing cubes I would have extra stuff. So let me show you guys. So this is my big suitcase, and this is the small suitcase, and then this is how I have packed my shoes. I have about 3 sneakers because I plan on hiking and moving about, so I needed all this sneakers and sandals and all that. You will see me putting them on, so this is where I have packed them. And then this is my toiletries, I mean, basically. So you see how the packing cube is helping me out. My toiletries and my jewelries is in this bag. So my pomade and all that, all back here. So yeah, there's 2 sorted out, more to go. So let's get to the air ferry is already leaving. It's like 7 a.m. Yo. So my undies, I just finished packing my undies, and my bikinis are also here. So basically almost done with the first set of things. See, there's still space here, and some few things can go on here to close it. So let's get to that. Literally finished packing with this. So come to this. Seal one part. Now you're gonna put it on top of this. Got it? Let's do that then. So here we go. This I'll need a lot of I forgot the skirts. Finished packing my stuff. This is just my handbag and that's that. Note that in a plane you're not supposed to carry these. All these must be in your check-in bag, okay, because they are liquid, so no liquid allowed on the plane. Everything must be in this. There's an exception to this, especially because it's less than 200 ml. This is 100 ml. So probably a size like this or less is okay, but just to be on the safe side, every liquid must be in your carry-on bag. I mean your checking bag. And yeah, so just it. My packing. To identify my bag easily, I have these to, you know, wrap around it. Then we are good to go. Oh, and here we go. So I'm going there to relax now. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Cool. No seats here. I'm sad because I just have like 2 hours to live here and I can't swim. So guys, the pool is here on the 4th floor.
Step 1, wake up really gonna rise the sun. Step 2,
Yes.
get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
So cold. Okay, I think I'm changing my.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time.
It's like
make it.
I've forgotten all my basics.
Steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yeah, that's just it. It's so cold. All time so cold. So I think I get nervous a bit when moving about. But yeah, that's just it.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
I'm using the staircase to go up. I don't know if the elevator stopped. That's just it. We'll call it a vlog.